Pantanal is the world's largest tropical wetland. It's in the southwest of central Brazil and it spans 2 states. It's an incredible habitat for so much life. But in recent years, it's experienced intensive droughts. This combination of high temperatures, lack of rainfall, and dry vegetation, unfortunately, is the perfect environment for wildfires to spread. This year, after we filmed the series, the entire area saw that devastation firsthand.
Wildfires are
Flames tearing through the Brazilian Pantanal.
Fires in the region this year compared to the same
The research team lost so much. They lost equipment, reintroduction enclosures, huts were injured. The whole habitat there was gone. And we got the devastating news that Gaia didn't survive these wildfires.
Eu demorei 3 dias para tomar coragem e gravar esse vídeo para vocês. A Gaia, ela não teve tempo de se salvar, né, do fogo. Infelizmente o fogo ele veio com muita intensidade.
She was a beautiful jaguar. The team had worked with her for 11 years.
E ela é incrível. Ela é incrível, ela vai deixar muita saudade.
Gaia has a real legacy, and now that legacy lies in the work of the On Safari team.
A gente precisa restaurar tudo, a gente precisa oferecer comida, água para os bichos, abrigo, refúgio. E as equipes estão aqui trabalhando incessantemente.
Now, we need your help. This year, Love Nature Gives Back is supporting the On Safari team in these really difficult times. If you want to learn more about the incredible work of the On Safari team, then make sure you watch Jaguar Journals. And if you want to give back, then head to lovenaturegivesback.com.